Audio Jungle.
Good morning, astronaut. Today is Thursday, November 6th. I'm Hannah.
And I'm Eddie, and you're watching War Eagle Television.
Today features a high of 82 and a low of 64. Stay warm, astronaut.
And now to Maureen and Anna with our War Eagle News.
Thanks, Hannah and Eddie.
The Florida Department of Education recognizes November as Parental Involvement in Education Month, highlighting the many ways families can engage in their students' academic success. They are currently accepting 2-minute video submissions about ways to stay involved and get engaged in their child's education. Parents or guardians can submit their video entry by tweeting their video at EducationFL by Monday, November 17th.
My fault, excuse me. Can you help me? Next, Astronauts Drama Club, The Great Pretenders, is proud to present a special school performance of our fall play Interview this coming Monday, November 10th at 2:30 p.m. in the auditorium. Students' tickets are $3 and will be sold this Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday during lunch. Students must have signed permission slips from their 4th block teachers to purchase tickets. Hope to see you all there.
Now to Shaden and Haley with our club news.
Thanks, Maureen and Anna.
The speech and debate club meeting has been canceled for this week only. See you all next week. Let it go! Let it go!
Shaden, what are you doing?
I'm practicing for Astronauts Got Talent.
German Club and Yearbook staff are hosting a variety show this month called Astronauts Got Talent. The show will be on Thursday, November 20th at 7 p.m. If you have a talent and want to be in the show, please see Mr. Brown in room 401 or Miss Williams in room 122. We are looking for baton twirlers, lion tamers, dancers, singers, tightrope walkers, comedians. The list could go on. Just see one of them if you have the talent. Students and parents are invited to attend on the 20th. Tickets will be $5 and can be bought any day leading up to the show at all lunches.
The Young Authors Club is supporting NaNoWriMo during November, which stands for National Novel Writing Month. You do not have to be a member of Young Authors to participate. See Mrs. Rivera if you have any questions.
Mr. Williams and Miss Morgenthau have committed to writing a novel in the month of November. Will they be able to complete it before the end of November? Would you like to join them? Get started and come to the Young Authors meetings, which are each Thursday morning before school in room 711.
The junior class meeting has been moved to tomorrow after school at 3:30. All juniors are invited and encouraged to come to the meeting at 3:30 in room 856. See you then.
And now to Nate and Serafina with our sports news.
Yay!
Thanks, Shaden and Haley.
The boys soccer team will be competing against Rockledge in an away game at 5:30 and 7. Good luck, War Eagles.
Congratulations to Run of the Week, Lauren Spratt. She had a 2.5-minute PR at Holy Trinity and has improved her time by almost 9 minutes since the season opener. It has also been given to her for her strong work ethic. She is an inspiration.
I'm Hannah.
And I'm Eddie, signing off for WE TV.
Have a thrilling Thursday, astronaut.